Start quiz. It actually tells me.
Let me write everything down. Okay.
Does it work on there?
Mhm.
Oh, perfect.
Okay. Total area under a normal distribution curve must equal, isn't it 1?
Say what?
Are you guys starting it yet?
No, we're on 3.
Yeah.
Oh, you're already on 3? Oh.
Or what are you on?
No, oh, right, 3, yeah. So it's 1, isn't it?
Yes, I think so.
Yeah.
Hey, I like how there's a lot of true and false on here. Oh, they're all multiple choice almost. Oh, not the last half. Just kidding.
Okay.
Really good shit.
Under.
Oh, wow, there's 18 questions? Holy crap.
Number 4.
Well,
That's false.
Yeah, I think it's false.
Yeah, it's always above.
Under.
2 for 5, right? So,
Yeah.
Which of the following elements figure represents the z-score? That's the bottom. So would that be A? Wait, no.
No, it'd be C.
C. You're right. I saw the red line going down, and so I was like.
Yeah.
It's C?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was thrown off at the A because there's a red line next to it, kind of.
Right, I got you. Greater than 1. It'd be B, wouldn't it?
I want to say yes, but I'm not sure.
Because that's the section above the numerical number 1.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Just so you know, your mic is off. Not your mic, your camera.
Oh.
Your camera's off.
I know.
Okay, just making sure you're aware.
Okay.
I am.
Okay, cool.
So you don't have to look at my beautiful face all the time. I know it's difficult
Hey.
for some people.
I was just, I gotcha. According to.
Sorry, I'm still on 7. Okay, B. Okay, question 8.
Yeah.
According to what percentage of the data? So it's 68%, isn't it?
How did you do that?
Well, it's just the 68 that's on.
Well, it's just the rule.
Yeah.
Oh.
So 68, 95, and 97, those are all one deviation apart.
Come in.
No.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's like 5:00.
Yeah, Missy has to leave early.
Oh, okay. Sorry. No, you're totally good. I just feel bad. Like, noisy. Okay.
So wait, so
it says right here, approximately 68% of data lie within one standard deviation. So.
You put 68 there, or do you put
68?
Okay, no, if you had 2%, I guess you would. I guess you just
Okay. Question 9.
You're pretty good with 86, 95, 99.7 rule, right?
You mean 68?
Or else I meant. We learned. Did you remember learning that last class?
Yeah, I did.
See?
Are you guys working on it? Hang on, let me look it up. Okay. That was like the last unit that we had.
just clicked on the blue part, the normal probability applet, and it pulled up the answer.
Did it really?
Yeah, because it says 1 is the z-score, 1 and -1 on
No,
here.
I think that's the default.
Well, yeah, but that's what it's asking for.
The
Oh.
area, right?
Oh. Okay, I gotcha.
Yeah. I know
Wow.
it's the 0.3173.
That's weird.
Am I crazy for thinking that's the right answer?
Yeah. That's so weird. Okay, so the next one should be easy. It's just 2 and -2. So
Yeah, so just put it in.
Oh my gosh, I'm doing this on my phone. It's
okay, you can
not working.
it's okay, it's right here.
455 is what I got.
Yep. 0.0455.
Points. Okay.
0.0455. Yeah.
Wait, 10?
Oh, that was for 10, yes.
Oh, then
Yeah.
You know what that's right?
Yeah.
-3.
Oh man, I'm loving these questions. I wish the homework was like this. No, I'm serious.
I got
Homework was like this. Okay.
0.0027.
Yep.
I'm glad it's easy. I couldn't have done anything difficult
Yeah.
today, so
0.0027.
thank heaven.
Look at that. Oh, okay. So now, looking carefully at your answers to the last 3 questions, what did you observe?
It's the 68, 95, 97 rule, I think.
I will agree with
Okay, now we have to do some stuff.
Oh yeah. I want 5 questions. So
I don't think we saw do this anymore.
population. I think we just have to worry about the numbers. Let's see. So do we have to do the 0.65 times the -1 times the -1? Or do we?
So I think we have to find the z-score if I'm correct. So I'm gonna say 48%. What are you guys thinking? Or 0.477.
I
Yeah, I don't know if I did this right. You-
can't. I What did you do for yours?
Yeah, so I went and looked at the homework, and there's a question of height of Guyanese women, and the question is basically the same. Um, Calculate the amount of people in a certain height. So I just followed that. So I found the z-score, so I took x, which is 60, and then I subtracted the mean, which is 65 or 0.65, so zero point 0.6 and 0.65, and then I divided it by the standard deviation, which is 0.07, and that is -7 or -0.714. I put that here. Let me do it again.
Okay.
0.4752 in the area.
So okay.
I mean, I'm just guessing, but that's what it said to do.
Yeah.
4, 7.
Okay. All right. We'll go with that. Oh my god.
I don't know if that's right though. I mean, I'm just kind of guessing. So
This is just so weird.
No, that could be right, I think.
I think it's my only guess. So
Well, I'll go with it too.
If this is the population that has a value less than 8,
Yeah.
then wouldn't it just be the reverse, like what's over?
I'm not.
I don't know how to do the reverse of it though, or the more part.
Not 5, because we want 100% of like, because as a whole. Let me see.
Oh, yeah, you just click it. That's funny. So if you have the applet up, you literally just click the other blue part, and if it's more, then I guess it would be 0.23238.
Oh yeah, to remove it or whatever. The blue side you talking about?
Yeah,
Okay.
because it's asking about higher, so it'd be above that portion that we just found. Hmm.
Well, why don't we just do the same thing for that, right? Or is the correct one?
Are you guys having any luck on these?
No. I have no idea.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
So isn't it just the same?
You know what? Yeah, I think it is just the same. I think,
It's the same process, but it's just point.
well, I think question 13 and question 14, I take it back. I think it is, they're both 0.238. And the reason that I say that is because if you look at the question, what portion of the population have a protein requirement that is less than 0.60? And so it would just be the blue section that is below the z-score of negative 0.714. Does that make sense? Because
Okay.
60 grams of protein is less than the mean, which is 65. So that's why it's a negative number.
Okay.
See what I mean?
So then you say that that would be the same for 13?
More than 60? No, actually. So the other one would be 0.762 for question 14. 0.762, because that is the amount of area that is over the negative z-score that we found.
And then would that be pretty similar to
That makes
15
sense.
then? Wouldn't it be right around there?
Yep, so you just do the same thing. So 0.7 minus 0.65, which is the mean, equals divided by 0.07. The z-score is 0.714. 714, yeah, it's the same thing.
Same thing, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. awesome.
is less than, so it'll be all the blue. So it'd be 762,
So then, yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, looks like it.
That's what makes sense to me.
That's so weird because it's like I guess I can kind of see it, but I didn't see that. I guess. Oh, now I'm talking about both those. I think. Find the.
That's weird.
Yeah, I think it's right.
Okay, question 16. Find the probability that a random selected person will have a protein requirement that is. But this wouldn't make any sense if they're both the same. Because you find the z-score, you find the area, then you subtract the larger from the smaller. But they're the same.
Oh.
Oh, no, one is negative, one is not negative. That's why. Divided by point. I feel like I need something to write this down with. Negative point. Okay, well, does that make any sense?
What did you get?
I got like 1.428. What did you get?
Nothing yet, but I don't
I
know.
don't think that's right.
I don't know if that is either. Um.
Oh, wait, here we go. That's why. Sorry.
That's not right, but
I skipped a step.
I have no idea. This is like.
But that doesn't make any sense.
It's less than solved.
Yeah. Yes.
I got 17.2.
Yeah.
Not 16.
Oh, I don't know why I overthought that. So I got 0.474.
How'd you get that?
Yeah, so we know that both areas are 0.237, right? Yeah, 238. Hold on, I did 237. Let me change one number. I didn't round it up. 238. So we know that both numbers are 238.
Yeah.
One is negative, one is positive. And so what it says for you to do is find the z-score, then find the areas, then subtract the larger from the smaller. So I did 0.238 minus negative 0.238 equals 0.476. 76. Which is 48% technically. Which makes sense.
Okay.
Find the percent. Or you just get the
So you had, what was it that you had for 16 then? For
16.476.
0.476.
Yeah, 0.476. Yeah, that's what I just
okay.
found. Do you see how I got it?
Yes.
Great confidence.
My brain.
What?
I think I understood. Did you guys understand? I'm the only one talking.
Yeah, I was listening.
I mean, I don't want to just,
Yeah,
I don't know.
I know what you're saying. um,
Okay.
I'm literally just following the instructions out of the reading.
Yeah. Okay. So what was your question on 17?
Okay, so finding the 35th percentile, I was looking at the grading, so we just type that in up here, right?
Yeah.
Which,
Yeah, so it's negative 0.385.
and then
That's what I got. And then for the other one, I got 0.842. What did you guys get?
I got both of those.
That's what you got?
Because it's only the shaded area to the left, right?
Right. And it automatically shades it for you.
my mouse is freaking
Right.
out.
I don't know if that's right because I remember doing a homework assignment on there,
Okay, where's your mouse
and
at?
they gave me a completely different answer. Because you had to add it. You had to add the mean, and then multiply that z-score times the standard deviation to find the 35th percentile. And I watched the video for that, but I don't remember exactly if that's right.
Well, I mean, it says right here, first we need to find the z-score to correspond with the 90. So click on the areas under the curve until area to the left of the z-score is shaded. Type the desired area or percentile in the box at the top of the graph. Whatever, this is giving an example of 0.9, so 90th percentile.
Yeah.
For example, to find the z-score corresponding to the 90th percentile, click the regions of the graph so that the area to the left of the bar is shaded, which it does automatically, and nothing is shaded to the right. Then type the number 0.9 in the box to the top, enter. The value 1.282 is the z-score. Oh, but maybe that's not what they're asking for. So Z.
They're not asking for the z-score, and that's the z-score. They're asking for I forgot what it is. I'm on the textbook.
Oh, so now we have to solve for x. You're right.
Yeah. So I think I did it correctly, and if I well, if I rounded right, it's supposed to be 0.585.
For which one? 17?
Yeah,
0.585. Okay.
I think. And then for number 18, I got 0.709.
0.709.
Yeah.
Because at that point, it's just basic algebra.
Yeah, it is. You just have to plug all the numbers in and you should get it.
Okay, I trust you. I mean, it's.
Well, I'm not good at rounding, but I think that's it.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm cool with that.
Okay, and just a question, just to check, 13 is 0.762.
13. I got 0.238.
0.238, okay. And then 14 is
And then
0.23 as well.
762. No, 14 I got 762.
Oh, so I just got this confused. Okay, and then 15 is 762
Yeah,
as well, right?
15. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I think everything looks good.
Are we submitting?
Yeah,
Yes.
I hope I have it all.
I have to catch up on the first one. So you guys
We shall see.
Yeah, 1 second, real quick. Brooke's catching up.
So number 3 is 1.
All right, let me know when you're about to submit it.
4 is false. 5 is true. 6 is C. 7 is B. 8 is 68. 9 is 0.3173. Number 10 is 0.0455. 27. Yeah.
And then
And then you should have the rest.
these were.
So you had, so 13 is 0.238.
Oh, snap. 13 is?
Yeah. And 14 is 0.762.
I had them backwards.
And so it's 15, right?
Yeah.
So the same. And 16 was 0.476.
Yes.
And then 0.58.
And that was for 17 and 18? Or 16 and 17?
What? 17 and 18, you mean?
Oh, it's 18. Oh, I had 18 wrong.
No, you're on 17.
Oh,
You
okay.
got it right.
Okay, cool.
Okay. Okay. We're going to submit.
Right.
All right, doing it. Oh, the first one we got right.
Oh. Bonus.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, how many?
I got 15 out of 20.
Okay, which ones did we miss?
17.
17. So we got 18 right.
Got number 9 wrong, number 10 wrong, got 11 wrong,
Really?
9 to 11 wrong. And then
We got all the ones with the easy. Like,
16 is wrong.
that's not how I expected that to go down.
Let's do this on your phone.
Wait. Okay.
Wait, less than 5 meeting right?
Oh, I know what we did wrong.
For which one?
What did we get for?
For number 9 is wrong.
Yeah, that was stupid.
17 you got wrong?
Yeah.
Maybe I typed it wrong, but I missed 16.
Oh, 7. Okay. So that means I did something wrong. 17.
Do you know if when we retake the quiz, if it's the same questions or if they're different?
It's the same questions.
Awesome.
Did you write these down?
Yeah.
Well, I guess I can just open up.
Dang, I was wrong about that.
Which one? What question was? Yeah.
All right, well, I got to go, so I'll just go through and correct
Yeah.
it later.
Yeah, man. Sounds good.
Oh, I know what I need to do.
Peace
Yep.
out.
See ya, man. What the heck? All right. Stop it.
Yeah.